Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Law Lounge with Silva. And I wanted to bring up a topic I'm really passionate about. And it is a case that's happening in Massachusetts, and it's the Karen Read trial. And right now, what's going on is jury selection for the retrial of Karen Read. And I've done a lot of trials in my career, and a lot of the most important work I ever do is in jury selection. Why is it so important? Because truly you want a juror on your trial that can listen to both sides of the evidence, not someone who's going to say the person's guilty right off the bat without even listening to the defense side. And trust me, there are a lot of people like that. What's interesting about the Karen Read trial is the trial is happening literally where the crime happened in Denham, Massachusetts. And it's a retrial, and Karen Read is doing so much media. You know, she just did this HBO special that a lot of the jurors already feel a certain way about her. So it's really, really important for the lawyers on both sides to make sure they have an impartial jury. You know what's incredible is about 10 years ago, even 5 years ago, as an attorney, we would always say, never make statements to the media. We wouldn't do it, and my clients wouldn't do it. In fact, I've done quite a few media cases in Los Angeles, and I have an official statement that is, we are not going to make any statements. We are really pushing to prove that our client had nothing to do with this. Well, what's interesting is things have changed. You need to be more aggressive when defending your client and making statements through the attorney, because that sway is so powerful. It's almost a public relations agreement that you go into where you try to sway the public that your client is innocent. And we're seeing this in the Karen Read trial. So we're all at the edge of our seat wanting to see how these attorneys are going to fight for their client. And I think the most important thing is, if she's found not guilty, I think it's really going to be partially because of the media push that they've been doing. And it's something we've never seen before. All right, everyone, take care.